Hi, I'm Christina Wesley, and I'm joined today by Jessica Kask. Welcome to our series where we talk about exciting topics related to cleaning in the manufacturing and packaging environments. We will share some of the questions and concerns that we address regularly when working with someone on selecting a cleaning agent or developing a cleaning process. Today's topic is a formulated detergent safe to use on my equipment? In Nutra, we tend to follow the food regulations. Jessica, how would you respond to this concern?
Thanks, Christina. Chematic formulated detergents are safe for most cleaning applications. Chematic cleaning agents are water-based and shipped in a concentrated form. They're further diluted to concentrations typically ranging from 1% to 5% before use. Because of this, there's not the dangers of exposure, specialty storage, and disposal concerns associated with the use of solvents. Our detergents are designed to be fairly free rinsing. However, it is important to make sure that all surfaces are rinsed thoroughly after using the detergent. We can provide pH data and conductivity curves to assist with rinse water analysis. Our analytical team has developed HPLC and TOC methods for swab recovery of our cleaning agents, and we can assist with the transfer of those methods to your facility. We also have an entire line of products that are NSF certified to comply with food and nutrient regulations. We can also provide toxicity data such as ADE and PDE values for all of our detergents if we have a confidentiality agreement in place.
Thank you, Jessica. It sounds like there are some safe options out there and that it's really important for customers to ask about NSF certification, toxicology information, and for methods to test for the residual cleaning agents. It is important to know what they're putting on their equipment and to ensure that it's being removed. To hear more of our cleaning process questions and concerns discussed, we encourage you to like us or follow us and visit us on our resource page at dober.com/Chematic.